Hello children, good morning. How are you all today? Today we are going to start a new lesson in social studies, that is chapter 5, Our Country. So this is the first lesson in unit 2. It's a lengthy lesson, so we will do it in 2 or 3 videos. In today's video, we will cover few subtopics like location, size and shape of our country, the neighbors of our country and the boundaries of our country. Okay children, let's get started with the lesson. Good morning children. Welcome to the new lesson, chapter 5, Our Country. In this video, we will be learning few subtopics of this lesson like locations, shape and size, the neighbors of India, the boundaries. Okay? Before we can start off with the lesson with the other subtopics, let us first learn the definitions of few words which term India. Like the words diversity. Diversity means differences. And India has diverse climatic conditions, different states, many castes, many religions, many languages, different type of dresses and a wide variety of food. In spite of all these diverse things present in the country, we still stand united as a nation. Hence, unity means integration or being united. And the definition for unity in diversity is nothing but oneness in varieties. Though we have differences, we are still united. And what is that one thing that keeps us united in spite of so many diverse things? It is tolerance. Tolerance is the only thing that all Indians have in them that keeps all Indians united as one nation and one family. Okay, children? So we understand that tolerance is nothing but tolerating the other person, being patient, being understanding and accepting the other person the way they are. So children, in India, we have so many religions, wide variety of cultures, languages, caste, creed. We have seen all these things. So do we confine ourselves to only our religion and culture and tradition? No. We see all Indians celebrate all the festivals. People speak all different types of languages wherever they go and settle down. People travel from north to south, east to west. They learn, they adapt the culture of that place. Hence, we can say that tolerance is found in Indians. Okay, children? Let us watch this short video which shows us the diversity of India.
The north has two distinct geographical features, the Himalayas and the Thar Desert, making it both the hottest and the coldest region of the country. The south is known for its dense tropical forests with a lot of biodiversity. No wonder they have as many as 15 amazing wildlife sanctuaries there. The eastern part of India has a very diverse landscape where you can see mountains, valleys, and, of course, freshwater lakes. Finally, the West is famous for being the home to India's richest state, as well as some of the most beautiful beaches in the world that attract millions of visitors every year. India could rightly be called the world's capital of religion, as it's the birthplace of Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism, with Hinduism being the most popular religion with over 1 billion people practicing the religion. Northern Indian cuisine is known for having thick, rich, and dairy-heavy dishes that use a wide range of local fruits and vegetables, which grow throughout the year. In the south, the dishes are largely rice-based, and there you will find some of the spiciest food in the country. If you have a sweet tooth, then you should definitely head to the east because some of India's most famous desserts come from this part of the country. Finally, the western part of India has a great mix of meat and vegetarian dishes so that everyone can find what they're looking for.
India is a country of various cultures and traditions. It is a land of diverse races, religion, caste, creed, language, customs, etc. Each region exhibits distinct culture or way of life in terms of food, clothing, traditions, language, etc. Children, we all live in India. Do you know where India is on the world map? Let us know our country, India, and its land, and many more things. If you see this picture, children, you can see that our country, India, which is colored in red, lies in the northeastern hemisphere on the globe. If you remember in the first lesson, we have learned all the four hemispheres, which are northern, southern, eastern, western. So India is located on the northeastern hemisphere on the globe. And since it is a country in the continent Asia, and also it is in the southern part of the Asian continent, hence it is a part of the South Asian continent. Okay, children? Now that we have learned the location of India on the world map, let us learn its shape and size. India's map is like a diamond in shape. Why? Because it is narrow at the top and bottom and broad in the middle. And also, India is the 7th largest country of the world and 2nd largest country of Asia after China. Okay, children? Children, you all must have seen the map of India many times. Do you all know which countries are our neighbors? Let us learn about them. Our country, India, has very friendly relations with all its neighbors. We have the countries Bangladesh and Myanmar or Burma on its east. Pakistan is on the western side of India. Countries like China, Nepal, Bhutan are on its northeast. And Sri Lanka is in the south of India. Now that we have learned the neighbors of India, let us learn the boundaries of India. We know that India shares its northern boundary with 6 of its neighboring countries like Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar, previously called as Burma. So, along with the above 6 countries, with India in the center, forms the Indian subcontinent. Okay, children? And the Himalayan mountains lies to the north of India. The Bay of Bengal Sea lies on the eastern side of India. The Arabian Sea lies to the west of India. The Indian Ocean lies to the south of India. For your homework, children, read this lesson on page number 28 and 29. Learn the difficult words from these 2 pages that you were not aware of earlier. Learn and practice the neighboring countries and the boundaries of India by heart.
So did you all understand the presentation, children? If you have not, then please go through the video again and again. And for today's homework, as I mentioned in the video, please read page number 28 and 29 and also practice the difficult words on these 2 pages. Also, practice the map by learning the neighboring countries and also the boundaries of India. Okay, children? Have a nice day. Bye.